Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to reset your Metamask account password. So in that case, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, you have to go and open up your Metamask account. If you're able to log in or if you're already logged in, then you could just simply follow the steps. Log in and go to your home page, and from the home page, tap the three-dot icon from the top right. A drop-down menu appears. Go to Lock Metamask. As you've done that, you'll be able to see this sort of field. So go ahead and press the Forgot Password button located right at the bottom. Next, you'll be able to see this field where you have to go ahead and enter the registered email address. Then a verification code or a link will be sent where you have to go ahead and press on it. As soon as you press on it, then you'll be prompted to enter or create a verification. Create a new password and just follow the prompt, and you should have successfully reset your password on Metamask. So by following the steps, you should be able to reset your password. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.